Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our fourth topic. And today we are going to learn new skills, which is one of the skill that will give a big impact to student to be a good students. And the topic for today is memory, learning, and improving concentrations. So for this topic, we are going to learn 4 subtopics, which are understanding memory process, memory strategies, understanding concentrations, strategies for, and the last one is strategies for improving concentration. For being to be a good students, we need to know what is the best way our memory works lah. So in order for you to memorize the information present by your lecturer. So here is the pyramid chart. This pyramid could explain how you can memorize something in the best way lah. Okay. The first one is 90%. Of course, we can if we look at it, is a teach others. If you wanna remember, you wanna memorize something, so you don't want like to forget this thing easily. Please teach others. By teaching others, it will help you to remember, to memorize it, and you also will help others to remember it. So 90% teach others is the best way. The second one is like 75%, which is practice doing. Like maybe you learn how to cook something, then you keep practice doing it, so you will remember it. So this is one of the best method. And the third one is 50%, which is discussion. Yes, I think between discussion and study alone, discussion is much better, because the scenario or the scene happened at that time will be a triggered method for you to remember something. So from this pyramid, it is shown that for you to be a good student, you may choose from the method, and of course you may choose the best one for you to understand better, or to and maybe to memorize better by doing all the method shown here. So then we move on to 30%, the demonstration, 20% audiovisual, 10% reading, and the 5% is lecture. See, even though you come to my class every time, it doesn't mean like you will understand well, or you will remember well. So in order for you to memorize what I already delivered to you in our class, you need to do something, like maybe you discuss with your friends, so it will boost up to 50%. You will like boost up your memory to 50%, so you remember, oh, this is what Mishima teach in our class before, so this is what Madam this teach before, this is what Mr. A teach you before. So you discuss with your friends, you will remember more, and maybe you will understand more. Maybe like something you already like understood, but it is not similar what your friends understood. So by do discussion, you will understand each other well. Okay. Then we need to know that as a human being, like we tend to forget something. So we need to know how forgetting could occur. So the first one is we did not pay attention to the information. Like maybe someone already explained to you, but you did not give full attention to it. So you will not like store in your memory what you already listen. The second one is we did not understand the information. Like maybe you could not understand everything. When you could not understand, when you could not understand, so it's really hard for you to remember it, because you do not understand it. So in order for us to remember something, we need to understand, and we need to give a full attention to it. The third one is cramming, meaning like last minute study. Maybe like because of you have test tomorrow, and you study last minute, like okay, tonight I'm going to study for tomorrow. You cram everything one night. Yeah, maybe you can remember for tomorrow. You can answer your examination. Maybe you can answer your test. But trust me, it will not like you will not last forever. Like maybe it lasts for one day, and maybe it lasts for like maybe it only lasts for your exam only. So that's why cramming is not good. Then the fourth one is they don't have a good strategies. Yes, you do not have a good strategies in order for you to remember or to memorize the information. And the last one is interference, which is you may be having two exams on the same day, so your memory mix up everything. So your mind mix up everything. Okay, from subject A, so you from information subject A, you mix up with information subject B, so you will forget something. Okay, so here's the memory strategies. There are 9 memory strategies that maybe you can use. The first one is write it down. The second one is association. The third one is repetition. Fourth is visualizations, categorization, talk it out, cues, set location, and routine. I think for write it down, I'm not going to explain. I think you will understand from the title itself. Association. Association meaning relate new information to something you already know well. For example, if you meet someone named Sandra, think of someone you already know named Sandra. Meaning to say like, oh, you really learn about what you call that? English, like maybe grammar. So then you try to remember something like in your daily life. Oh, is for one. It is for one. Meaning like is for like now, was like for yesterday. So you use it in your daily conversation. So because of that, you try put it in your what you have learned in your grammar. So that one you call association. Repetitions meaning you keep doing it, you repeat everything. Like see, like reading, writing, or saying information over and over can help move information to long term memory. So meaning to say, if you keep doing it, it will be part of your memory. So you will be it will last long lah. Okay. Visualization, picture new information in your mind in a fun or memorable way. Sometimes just visualizing helps, or you can create a silly image or clip in your head that incorporate all the information you must remember. Like maybe you have a fun way to make you remember. Like okay, this note you make it animation way, like animate method. So by look at it, by learning from that material, it will make you remember more, because of your memory will tend to memorize something rare from what you usually do. Okay, categorizations, like maybe you put it in category, talk it out, present it to others. Cues, use visual cues such as stickers and pose it, like maybe you pose it on your you paste it on your wall or something like that, or maybe you make your notebook. Set location, like maybe you assign something. Okay, this area for my key, so every time you take out your key from that area, you must put it back. So in that with that method, you will remember where is your thing. And the last one is routine. Routine meaning like having a routine makes you less reliant on your memory. Morning and evening routines are the most obvious ideas. Meaning here, like if you have the routine and you keep doing it the same thing, so it will be part of your life, it will be part of your memory. Okay, then we need to know what is the causes of poor concentration. So just now we have learned as human being we tend to forget, and one reason why we forget is we did not give full attention. So this is causes of poor concentration. The first one is lack of attention. The second one is lack of interest. The third one is lack of motivation. The fourth one is distraction from others, like maybe you in class, but at the same time, but you keep thinking of for others thing, like maybe you play with your phone or talking with your friends or something like that. And number 5 is uncomfortable environment, like maybe you need to study, but you need study in the area like with so many people, so you couldn't give a full concentration lah. Maybe like, oh, you're trying to learn something, but your sisters or brothers keep yelling or like keep playing behind you, so it's really hard for you to concentrate. Number 6 is physiological matters, like maybe illness and tiredness. And the last one is psychological matters, which is personal problem, worries, and also anxieties. So that's all for today's topic. So if you do have questions, you may PM me, or you may tag me in our WhatsApp group, or maybe you can ask me later on in our next class. So I will leave this reference for you to study. Thank you. Bye.